Hello guys and welcome back to Let's Play Animal Crossing City Folk for you. I know this episode is really late, so I'm trying to rush this episode today's March, no, May 9th, 2009, 2012, and the time is midnight of May 10th, so, 12:30 already? I asked Jake, Red Panda Gamer, if he wants to do an episode with me, and he said, maybe. So who knows when that's gonna be. Guess he's off during the summertime. So, yeah, Jake said that during the stream. He was streaming earlier. Oh yeah, I got a Luigi's hat yesterday. I forgot. Ba-da-ba-doo. Ba-da-ba. Jake was streaming. What was he streaming? When I joined the stream, he was streaming Pokemon Coliseum. It's called. I know I played it, but I don't remember if he was playing Coliseum or the XD one. The sequel to Coliseum. Is there anything going on this weekend? Yeah. Um. Um. What else was he streaming? I think Kirby Air Ride. I think that's what it's called. And Mega Man 10. Yeah, Mega Man 10. He also was streaming that for a bit before the stream just freaking lag. I know how to stream. Just wish I had fans to watch me stream, like Jake does. I tried streaming once before. It only had one visitor. It was a sad night. Plus, it was like around midnight when I was streaming, so no one was awake. And it was in the middle of the week. Do new neighbors move in when old neighbors move out? You guys know that? I don't know. Oops, said this to those times. Um, I don't know what to do today, guys. What should I found no money rocks yet, and I almost hit every rock. Ah, it better be this one. Probably this one. Not this one. I hit every rock. No money rock today? Hey, John. Whoa, hey, John. You have a camera and stuff. Cameras are crazy. Easy to use when you this one. Click the off. Then you can press 2 or picture, see the picture. So I can see it being 20 boys in the city. Yeah, guys, I'm gonna. Whoa, okay, I thought there was something there. I'm gonna end the episode here. I'm not feeling that well. And oh yeah, I'm doing a little playthrough of Persona 4. Found a good guide on GameFAQs.com that has a max social link guide. I'm using that right now, and I also have Yosuke already maxed at frickin'. I just beat Yukiko's castle. I kinda cheated. I used Jack Frost. Yeah, I used Jack Frost on Yukiko and kicked her butt in like 5 seconds. So I'll see you guys next time. Have a good day. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe, comment below, favorite. What else is there? Favorite, comment, like, subscribe, and all that jizz. So I'll see you guys next time on Let's Play Animal Crossing Sequel 4. Have a good day. I'm also doing a second playthrough to make the Margaret fight easier because once you guys get all 22 social links maxed, you get an item that makes getting experience at the end of the game a lot better. I think it gives you 50 times the experience. So yeah, see you guys later. Bye.